Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Harmony price prediction in Harmony news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Harmony in 2022. Harmony is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and use of decentralized applications, dApps. The network aims to take an innovative approach to running decentralized applications and focuses on random state sharding, which allows new blocks to be created in seconds. Stephen C. is the founder and CEO of Harmony. He holds a PhD from the University of Pennsylvania in cryptographic protocols and type theory. Upon graduation, C. became a research intern at Microsoft. In 2006, he began working as a senior engineer at Google and has been with the company for 4 years. In 2011, he founded SpotSitter, a successful search engine that was later acquired by Apple. In 2014, C. became Apple's chief engineer. He founded Harmony in 2017. The founding team of Harmony is made up of 12 people, 7 of whom are ex-Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon employees. Celsius offered lending products that came under U.S. Securities and Exchange (SEC) investigation in January, while BlockFi was slapped with a $100 million penalty for offering unregistered crypto lending products in February. The second news here's why the SEC keeps rejecting spot Bitcoin ETF applications. Crypto investors still hope that the SEC will approve a spot-based BTC ETF one day, but data shows it has good reason not to. It is not the first time the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) rejected proposals for a Bitcoin spot exchange-traded product (ETP), but efforts continue to be made by different financial institutions. The recent attempt made by BZX Exchange on Jan. 25 to list the Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Trust as a Bitcoin ETP has also failed. The SEC letter published on February 8 pointed out that the exchange has not met its burden to demonstrate the fund is designed to prevent fraudulent and manipulative acts and to protect investors and the public interest. Although proposals of Bitcoin spot ETPs have never been approved by the SEC, and such products are not available in the US market, they do exist in the European market. By investigating the prices of ETPs traded in the European market, one could gain a good insight into whether fraudulent and manipulative acts are possible. To investigate whether the SEC's concerns of fraudulent and manipulative acts are justifiable, this article will compare the historic prices of 3 European listed ETPs and the Bitcoin spot price history from 18 exchanges to see if there are any significant price disparities that could induce market manipulation. The SEC's primary concerns. There were 2 major concerns raised by the SEC from a technical perspective towards BZX, with many claiming that the exchange's recent splurge on advertisements and marketing has started to take a toll on its balance sheet. The exchange's aggressive marketing splurge over the past year has raised many eyebrows, given the company, unlike many other crypto unicorns, hasn't raised much capital from investors. Crypto.com's marketing budget, which includes millions being spent on celebrity endorsements, buying of arenas and much more, have been a topic of discussion on the internet for a long time. However, the sudden change in its lending policy has only made the theory more prominent. Crypto lending products have been under regulatory scanner for over a year now, with several crypto firms getting a security violation notice from respective state regulators. Gemini, each pair chain, brings unique functionality and use cases to the ecosystem. Layer by layer, issue 26. Solana, Near, and Polkadot. Quick take. In this weekly series, we dive into some of the most interesting data and developments across the Layer 1 blockchain landscape. From DeFi and bridges to network activity and funding, new cross-chain protocols continue to emerge, spurred on by persistent demand for interoperability and shared liquidity between chains. Unified strategies between L1s, bridges, and DeFi protocols are proving to be effective at streamlining user adoption. This week, we take a look at Solana, Near, and Polkadot. Bot said business operators, including crypto exchanges, must not provide such payment services and are barred from acting in a manner that promotes digital assets to pay for goods or services. However, the new regulation won't affect trading or investments in digital assets. Until the end of April, companies and local businesses had to comply with the new rules. The development pricing units other than the type bot would increase the cost of economic activities. The rising crypto adoption, indeed, met a major obstacle here in the region. As of April 1, Thailand would prohibit the usage of digital assets as a means of payment for goods and services. At the same time, it reduced the efficiency of monetary policy transmission. Cryptocurrency operators should halt advertising, soliciting, or establishing a system to facilitate payment of the same. Instead, they must warn clients against the use of digital assets for payments. The new regulations even went to the extent to threaten cancellation of accounts if found guilty of breaching these regulators' concerns that digital assets pose. It could impact the country's financial stability and the overall economy. Has it been a good ride? The timing of the developments above is an interesting one. Significantly, just starting this month, Thai's Finance Ministry Cabinet relaxed the tax burdens of Thailand's crypto investors from April 2022 until the end of 2023. In addition, the cabinet approved tax relief measures, including the exemption of a 7% value-added tax (VAT) on cryptocurrency trades on regulated exchanges to promote the crypto industry. Decentralized fun arcade games with a decentralized arcade. Unite Finance is focusing on utility to encourage active user contribution on a fundamental level. The arcade will be built to enhance the DeFi experience by adding exciting old school and new games. Users will be able to play Roll, Crash, Coin Flip, and other popular games with entry as low as $1 Unite to ensure universal participation, equivalent to $0. 15 United States dollars at the time of writing. And there are no kick requirements to withdraw your winnings. The arcade maintains a non-custodial policy. No amount is required to be deposited to access the features. A player can play and bet in any slot and other arcade games without facing any restrictions. Upon winning, the profit can be instantly withdrawn to your wallet with zero additional fees. Networks stand out from the crowd. A star is supporting both Ethereum Virtual Machine and WebAssembly. Developers can deploy existing Solidity contracts, as well as Polkadot native smart contracts. It also supports bridges. After only 3 months of being live on the Polkadot mainnet, a star network has already bridged over $180 million in Ethereum assets. The success of a star to date is also attributed to the quality of the dApps being built on top of the blockchain. A star network already has 40 dApps on its network, including some DeFi protocols that have already amassed huge popularity in the Polkadot ecosystem. Partners in high places. Interestingly, one of the world's leading tech giants, Microsoft, has recently partnered up with a star to assist them with their incubation program. Microsoft has agreed to assist chosen businesses from the Star incubation. Today we will discuss the Harmony price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. Harmony Course Forecast 2022. One has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Harmony, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 21 cents. One is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 21 cents. One rate prediction 2023. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Harmony will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2023, one is expected to peak at 30 cents. The minimum bet could go up to $0. 25 if the market turns bullish. Harmony price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Harmony could cross 43 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 38 cents. Harmony price prediction 2025 and 2025. With wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, Harmony price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach 63 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 56 cents with a maximum price of 63 cents for 2025.